my smoothies. I'll be prepping my smoothies. Here we are. All right, here we go. Uno, dos, uno, dos, uno, dos, uno, dos. Mango. And it is frozen mango. I didn't go get any fresh mango. This is more cost effective. It's very cost effective just to get the frozen. I mean, if you want to, if you're into that sort of thing, then go for it. If you're into that sort of thing, let me check what you guys are saying here. It is mango, banana, and spinach. No preguntas, Anthony. Gracias, mi amor. No preguntas. I am gonna try. Yes, please. Please, Candy Cake. Freezer bags. Get these freezer bags and put them. Make sure you get freezer bags because you do not want freezer burn. Hey, Trisha. There is a reason why I use freezer bags and not just regular sandwich bags because it is a problema when it's time to use it. You will get freezer burn and your stuff will get freezer burn if you do not use the freezer bags. So team smoothie for the people that don't have a juicer. I am doing smoothie. All right, this. Let me turn it around because I know YouTube be making stuff backwards. So I'm gonna turn it backwards so you can read. I hadn't written anything on there, but you know what I'm saying. Mango, spinach, and banana. So I'm gonna do 3 of these. And I put 1 banana, and I use half a bag of the spinach, and I use 1.5 cups of the fruit. So tres bolsas here aquí. 3 bolsas here aquí already. So that's 3 days of smoothie. And what I do is I add the almond butter and the coconut milk. And if I'm feeling froggy, if I want to jump, I'll put a little squeeze of honey and I'll mix it up by adding some cacao. Like I said, no cow tit juice. No cow titty juice. I will not be putting the milk. No milk. No milk. I got my own milk. Okay. So here's 3. And now I'm going to do the strawberry. 1, 2, 3 bolsas. So these are quart bags straight from the supermarket. And they are freezer bags. Please, 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 please. Por favor, si tu play, beta. Por favor, si tu play, beta, beta, beta. Use the freezer bags if you want to prep your smoothies. Do not put them in regular sandwich bags. Don't do that if you're going to put them in the freezer. And I explained earlier, I put the fruit on the bottom just in case my niños, in case my children, they break into my office. I have my own refrigerator and freezer in my office. And that's where I store my smoothie prep and my juices. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love smelling things. I do. So I put the fruit at the bottom. And I just, get a good handful. Yeah, pour some out for my homies. Pour some out. I'm gonna try not to eat none. So I won't be in here smacking. So here is, let's see. I use about 1 cup of frozen fruit. Just like so. You measure it out. I use 1 cup. That's a good cup. Okay, maybe it's 1 cup and 1/3. Make it sweet. Azúcar, this is natural azúcar, natural sugar. This is not the same thing as that high fructose corn syrup that is going to spike your blood sugar and keep the blood sugar up, okay? All right, I gotta get on the move because I don't want my stuff to melt. Do I add water to the smoothie? Yes. I do, Candy K. Tú estás muy interesante en tus videos. Muchas gracias, Anthony. I do my best, el mejor, the best, el mejor. So I use coconut water, and if you don't have access to the coconut water, you can use distilled water. You can use spring water if you like, and add it to the smoothie. Even if you can do almond milk, cashew milk, rice milk. I've done that before, but I found that the cashew milk doesn't really agree with me. Just like the cashews, you have to soak them first. Now, that's a whole nother video. I can speak with you about soaking your nuts. Soak your nuts before you eat them, okay? So I don't use milk in my smoothie. I use the coconut water, or I use the distilled water. Okay, let's get these bags up because I want to juice. I have pineapples here, and I have a yellow watermelon. I have a red watermelon for you. I have carrots. I have a plethora of stuff to juice. I might be on here 3 hours. I don't care, but I gotta get this work done. I gotta get it done. And that's how you set yourself up for success. You stay ready so you don't have to get ready.